Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking in detail about daily skincare routine. So now let's get started. Daily skincare routine includes morning skincare routine and night skincare routine. So first let's talk about morning skincare routine. Keep it simple. For beginners, I will recommend starting with a basic 3-step routine. Cleanse, moisturize, and apply sunscreen. Use a face wash to cleanse. As you apply the face wash, gently cleanse in a circular motion. You can use any face wash that suits your skin. Here are some of my favorite face washes. This one is for all skin types. And if you have acne-prone skin, then do try it. This one is good for oily skin. Dry skin people avoid using this face wash. So step 1 was cleansing your face. Next step is moisturizing. Moisturizing helps to rehydrate your skin. Some of my favorite moisturizers are: if you have oily or acne-prone skin, you can use lightweight moisturizers such as aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is known to be a natural moisturizer. It has hydrating properties and absorbs into the skin like magic. Even for oily and acne-prone skin, aloe vera has proved to be an excellent moisturizer because of its light texture. This one is good for dry skin. Moreover, you can use any moisturizer that suits you. Next step is the most important. Use sunscreen every day. No matter where you live or what color your skin have, it can protect you from sun damage. Daily sunscreen use resulted in an overall improved appearance of skin tone, texture, fine lines and wrinkles, etc. You can use any sunscreen. That's it for morning skincare routine. Follow these 3 basic steps if you are a beginner. Moreover, you can add toner or day cream. It's all up to you. Now let's talk about night skincare routine. Step 1. Cleanse your face using face wash. Use face wash twice a day, only in morning and at night. Use any face wash that suits your skin. Step 2. Use a toner. I love using rose water as a toner. You can use it at morning or night as well. It's all up to you. I personally use rose water at night. Rose water acts as a natural toner. The best thing about rose water is that it usually works for all skin types, and hence is completely safe to be used daily. If you are allergic to rose water, then you can use other toners like vitamin C toner, and there are so many toners available in the market. Step 3. Use any serum like vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that works to stimulate collagen production in your skin. It also fights fine lines, brightens your complexion, and provides a host of other benefits. Teenagers can also use it. However, if you don't want to use serum, you can also use any night cream or anti-aging cream, etc. if you are an adult. And you can also use eye cream. It's all up to you. Remember that morning is about protection and night is about repair. So do apply sunscreen at morning to protect your skin from the sun. And apply nice hydrating serum or moisture or cream at night because our skin repairs at night. So guys, that was all about daily skincare routine. You can add or skip any step according to your preferences. I hope you liked the video. If it was helpful, then don't forget to like. Bye-bye.